Hello, my name is Husam Chekfa. This is my Lab3 demonstration for 40862 Lab3. Here's my code, just a brief scroll through of my code. Computer, wire, ESP32, ground, and 3 volts. My push button gets connected to the 3 volts as well as to ground via resistor. It gets connected then for the input of pin 12 on the ESP32. Hopefully you can see that. Then on my capacitive wire is connected to what do you call it? It is connected to pin 32 of my ESP32. There we go. So now that we have this, I'm gonna go ahead and run the code. I do have let's see. Just want to put that right there. And then boom. Okay. I'm just censoring my IP address. It does work. Also, just want to be clear, it does obviously work because otherwise it would not exit this while not loop. I'm just censoring the IP address. Hopefully that's okay. But yeah, basically what happens is that, yeah, let's go ahead and run this code real quick. Okay. Boom. Okay, it fails. Basically this happens a bunch of times. You kind of have to keep on running it until it does not fail, to connect to the NTP time. This is what was mentioned. Okay, I think it's gonna work this time. Yes, okay, so as you can see, it connected to synchronize with NTP. Sometimes it doesn't work on the first time. This was mentioned on Piazza, but you're gonna see right now, basically if you keep on running it until it does work. So you're gonna see that 350.24, 350.29. So it was right there. I'm gonna show you that. See this capacitive thing, it does work, right? Boom. This connected to pin 32, right? Now it's gonna go into deep sleep, right? There we go. It's going to deep sleep. So as you can see, this red LED turned off, and I'll show you again that it's on later. When I try to touch this, it does not do anything, right? I'm gonna go ahead and actually no, I'll do the push button the second try. I'm gonna let this run for the entirety of the minute, and I'll show you that it continues properly. So we just gotta wait until then. While we're waiting, I just want to mention that when you're running the code, of course you have to. When I'm using my hotspot on my iPhone, I have to turn on maximize compatibility. Otherwise, the ESP32 won't read the hotspot. Also, as mentioned on Piazza, many other students had this too. When you're doing this synchronize of time to NTP, sometimes it won't work the first try. You kind of have to keep on running it as you saw earlier. It took the second try, it worked. So that's just how NTP is. There we go. So now, there you go, perfect. As expected, it woke up, right? So this was like this, now it woke up, and then it also runs again as required, as mentioned on Piazza. It runs through this connect Wi-Fi function all over again. So that works. As you can see, it did the connected to Husam, right? Can you see that? Connected to SSID. My SSID is Husam. Boom, it's already working again. Perfect. So now it's going to sleep again. Boom. I'm going to show you right now. Again, it doesn't work. The NeoPixel does not work when it's asleep, as well as the red LED is off when it's asleep. I'm going to go ahead and press this button. Click. Boom. There we go. See? Can I hit Husam? Awesome. It works again. I'm going to show you again. The red LED is on now that it's awake. Boom. This turns on as well. I'm going to give you one, before we close this, I'm going to show you that, boom, 352.39, 352.39. There we go, see? So this does work perfectly. This was a pretty fun lab. Thank you for watching, I guess. Thank you very much.